Hi, I'm here today with the Velton GP50 and I can't wait to test this out because like these multi-effect boxes, they're getting smaller and smaller every day, right? So let's see what we got here. We got a little box, packaged nice and well here, and then of course our stomp box right here. So they're all in the shape of these stomp boxes from back in the day, and it's pretty heavy duty. Can you hear that? These are really heavy duty stomp box switches, so that's pretty cool. So Velton isn't messing around, and then we got a quick user guide in there as well. And a little cable here for charging it. So everything you need in there. So let's see, do we already have, so let's see. Oh yeah, so you can use your normal DC in. It doesn't come with a DC adapter, but none of these do, right? And then you have your USB-C right here. And then a MIDI in with just a little jack. So that's pretty cool. A MIDI through and some headphones out. And of course your input here. Your expression pedal, so you can even add an expression pedal to here, and then your out mono or out R's right there. So let's plug this baby in. So I really like the fact that you just get your USB-Cs nowadays, right? You can just plug that in, and oh yeah, and immediately sees the battery live there, and you can start to plug this in. So cool, so you can charge it with this and then use this anywhere, so pretty nice. So let's put our guitar in the input, and then this just goes to our little Spark app right there, a Spark amp right there. Okay, cool, so I can just push these two buttons and then, oh yeah, now we have some sound there. So you don't even need to bring your power adapter, you can just use this with the built-in battery, which is pretty nice right there. Great pedal. So, well, let's just go through a couple of these with the Positive Grid Spark, just a small amp, and I think that emulates pretty well what you'd get. Well, what you'd use this for, right? It's like a beginner's multi-effects pedal. So something like this really helps you get the feel of the sound of it. So this one's called Neo Soul. And you can click in here in the power switch and make some changes here to the sounds and the effects that you have. So it's pretty intuitive. Just click through there. I think that works really well. So you get quite a large bright display here, so you can change everything from within this one little box here. So pretty nice. Then you can click on save and save your patch right there. And of course you can use the foot switches to go back and forth between the first and the second one. So this is called Great Pedal. So let's just go through a couple of these so you can get a feel for it. Okay, pretty cool. This is a Neo Soul one. Star Night. Power Lead. power lead. You get some pretty nice delay and reverb on there to get a nice stadium effect, so heavy distortion. Pure clean. Smooth LD, a lot of distortion here, and you can see the pedals that select him, right? So you can change those up all from within one of these interfaces, and you can dial these buttons in to get a little bit more of distortion in there or fewer, and then you need to save the patch if you want to keep that those changes that you made. So pretty intuitive, and it's really like, because you have this quite large display there, you can see everything right on there. It's like a little stomp box with all of these multi-effects, and you couldn't even fathom that you'd have all of these effects in just like a little of these Boss stomp boxes a couple of years back even. So pretty nice. Big jazz. Solo wah. Flow. So really cool, a lot of effects here, and I think a lot of for you to play around with. You can really get any type of sound out of it that you want. The sound isn't as good as the bigger brothers, right? Of even Velton, the brand itself, or Line 6, that sort of thing. But in this package, I don't even have to plug it in. It's just plugged out. I can take this with me and plug this in anywhere, use the inbuilt battery, and then even bring a small little amp with a battery, and you can play anywhere that you'd like with a lot of effects here. You can change them on the go, and I don't know of anything for this kind of money and this kind of footprint that could deliver this. So very nice. Nice to see these innovations in guitar industry, and I really recommend.